During roadworks, pedestrians and vehicles moving near the construction area may interfere with ongoing activities and come into contact with the risks associated with different operational phases. Therefore, it is necessary to implement preventative measures, such as barriers, signage, and lighting to protect both workers and road users. The boundaries to be used are defined based on the specific risks present on the construction site, the type of work to be carried out, and the indications provided in the Highway Code. They may consist of fixed barriers or movable barriers, special and flexible delineators cones, and temporary horizontal signage. When there are operating machines, excavations, or other openings in the road surface, it is necessary to fence off the work area. In the case of reclamation activities, demolitions, or during cutting operations with power tools, suitable shielding must be provided to protect pedestrians from the risk of material projection outside the construction site. The storage area for hazardous materials and substances must be delimited and isolated, preventing access to unauthorized individuals. To safeguard the safety of road users and those working on the site, it is necessary to display specific signage informing pedestrians and vehicles of the presence of a work area and indicating the correct route to follow. It is also good practice to obscure the signs present on the road section affected by the works when they provide directions that conflict with the provisions indicated on the temporary construction signage. The latter must take into account the configuration of the road, which may include curves, intersections, and gradients, as well as the speed and density of vehicular traffic and the various environmental conditions that may characterize the area subject to intervention. The technical regulations of the Highway Code identify some real scenarios to refer to in order to define the signage to be prepared. To ensure stability, construction signs should be positioned using appropriate supports and weights. Lastly, workers must also pay attention to proper illumination of the construction area, both during nighttime hours and in environmental conditions of low visibility, such as fog or inclement weather. It is mandatory to integrate luminous signage, equipped with reflective film with vertical signage. Red and yellow lights must be used. The red lights should be placed together with the start of work signal and at the head barriers of the construction site. Yellow lights, on the other hand, should be used to provide visibility to mandatory direction signs.